Do you think you know the sun? Think again. Here are 10 shocking truths about the star that gives us life and can also take it away. The number one is the sun is not burning fire. Most people think the sun is burning like wood, coal, or fire, but that's wrong. The sun is actually a giant nuclear machine. Inside it, very tiny hydrogen atoms crash into each other and join to make helium. This process is called fusion and it makes an unbelievable amount of energy. In just 1 second, the sun gives off more energy than humans have used in all of history. The number second is the light that reaches us from the sun today is very ancient. It is born deep inside the sun center, called core. But to escape the sun thick layers, it takes about 170,000 years to come out. After that, it only needs 8 minutes to travel the huge distance of 150 million kilometers to reach Earth. So the sunlight that is falling on your face today actually started its journey before humans even existed. The fact number three is the sun holds almost the whole solar system. The sun is so big and heavy that it contains 99.8% of all the weight of the solar system. All the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets together are just a tiny part compared to the sun. That's why the sun's gravity controls everything from Earth's orbit to the farther comets. The number four is the sun can destroy technology. Sometimes the sun throws out huge explosions called solar flares or coronal mass ejection. These send billions of particles flying through space. If one of these hit Earth, it can damage satellites, break GPS, stop radio, and even destroy power grids. In 1859, such an event happened. It set telegraph wires on fire. If it happened today, the damage could be in trillions of dollars. The number five is the sun's atmosphere is hotter than its surface. The sun's visible surface, the part we see, is around 5500 degrees centigrade. But strangely, its outer atmosphere, called the corona, is much hotter, reaching millions of degrees. Scientists still don't fully understand why the corona is hotter than the surface. It's one of the sun's biggest mysteries. Number 6 is the sun is middle aged. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old. Scientists say it is halfway through its life. In around 5 billion years, it will grow into a red giant star, becoming so big it will swallow Mercury and Venus and maybe even Earth. After that, it will shrink into a white dwarf, a small super dense star that slowly cools down. The fact number seven is the sun blows wind all the time. The sun constantly sends out a stream of particles into space. This is called the solar wind. It moves at almost 1 million miles per hour. On Earth, when the solar wind hits our atmosphere, it creates the beautiful northern and southern lights. But this wind can also damage satellites and space equipment. Fact number 8, the sun made you. The elements inside your body, like oxygen, carbon, calcium, and iron, were created long ago inside stars through fusion, just like in the sun. That means you are literally made of stardust. Without the sun and other stars, human could never exist. Number 9 is without the sun, Earth would freeze. If the sun suddenly disappeared after 8 minutes, Earth would be completely dark. Within a week, the average temperature would drop below minus 70 degrees centigrade. Within a year, Earth would become a frozen, lifeless planet. The number 10 is, and the last is, the sun is just a normal star. For us, the sun feels huge and special, but in the universe, it is just an average star. Some stars are 1,000 times bigger and millions of times brighter than our sun. But for us, this normal star is everything. Without it, there would be no earth, no life, and no humans. So the sun is not just a ball of fire, it is a nuclear machine, a creator of life, a possible destroyer, and the star that gave birth to us. We live, breathe, and survive only because of this glowing giant in the sky. Okay, friends, we will meet in our next video soon.